Hello friends, welcome to Prabhat Exam, your one-stop destination for IAS preparations. Most Indians, while growing up, nurtured this dream of becoming an IAS officer in their life. No surprise that IAS is the dream job of most Indians. But we have often been told that becoming an IAS requires great intellect, extraordinary IQ, and never-ending studying hours. Friends, believe me, these are all myths. IAS toppers are ordinary citizens like you and me. Many of them come from humble background with little to no resources. Several of them come from small towns too. But there are certain qualities that distinguish them from other ordinary citizens. If you develop those qualities, then you too can become an IAS officer. Here is a list of habits and qualities that will make you an IAS officer. Number 1. Read newspapers daily. Newspapers are a key source of current affairs, and once you are able to develop a habit of reading newspapers, the time taken by you to finish it will reduce automatically. Reading newspapers help a long way in IAS preparations. All the IAS toppers talk about the importance of reading newspapers while preparing for the exam. Number 2. Practice meditation. Meditation helps us focus. It has been practiced by great philosophers and spiritual gurus to attain enlightenment. The right way to practice meditation starts with finding a quiet place for yourself. You should then sit with your legs folded and begin chanting Om. You can practice meditation without chanting too. Try to focus on your voice. Doing this daily will help you improve your focus while studying. Number 3. Learn from mistakes. No one is perfect. It is only through hard work and perseverance that perfection can be achieved. But apart from hard work, it is also important to learn from the mistakes we make every day. Otherwise, we will end up making the same mistakes again and again. This will stop our growth in life. Number 4. Have faith. Honest work never goes in vain. There will be times when you will fail, but to be successful in this exam, it is important to have faith in your work and your capabilities. This should reflect not only in words, but also in action. Number 5. Keep the hunger alive. There are lessons to be learned at every step of life. Keep your hunger for learning alive. This will give you an edge over the others. Number 6. Think like a problem solver. An IAS aspirant should think as a social engineer. He should always think in the terms of problems that society faces. This is the quality that interviewers are often looking in an aspirant. So, friends, this will be it for today's video. I hope you must have learned a lesson or two that you can utilize in your life and take your preparations further. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel, and this will be it for today. Thank you.